What does your content strategy look like, Bahadur? How do you start from the whole coming up with an idea to the recording it and producing it for YouTube? How does the whole process look like?
So you know, I first of all I need to know what two cultures or two languages I'm comparing, right? So once I know that, and I know that there is some kind of connection between them or whatever it is, then I look into it and I do some research. In some cases, it's pretty easy. I can pick it up very easily. And some languages I'm very familiar with, so those are easy. But sometimes it requires more research. Once I have that ready, I will just basically bring people, and before it used to be a lot of my close friends and then friends of friends, and later on, as the channel grew, now we have a lot of our subscribers who live in Toronto that reach out to me and say, hey, I speak this language and I want to take part in the video. So yeah, we organize, and get together and record the video, and that's pretty much it.
Do you do everything yourself, from recording, arranging people to meet up, to the editing? Is there any part of your process that you have outsourced as well?
No, I do it all myself. Just to me, it's just a hobby, right? Like it's like doing something that you love doing for fun, and I enjoy doing it. The research for me is the most enjoyable part, and then also getting together and meeting new people and bringing them closer. That's also something that I love. So I really just enjoy doing it. I get a lot of help from my wife, but it's
Yeah.
just basically the two of us doing it.